Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Pratham, and in today's video we are going to see end to end about Python for the beginners. So before we write a code, let me tell you what Python actually is. So Python is a programming language. A programming language is how we talk to the computer and it gives the instructions. And just like we use English or any other language to talk with each other, we use Python to talk with computer. So now what are the requirements? So first thing we need is Python. So just come to Google and just type Python install. If you use this, you get this official document python.org download. So you can download the installer from this official website you have downloads, and you have for Windows. Click on Windows. So mine is Windows. If you are with another any other OS, so select the Mac or Linux. So here I am here, and you can see the link given for the Windows download. Just download this exe file and double click on this and click on add to path. So in my case I've already installed. And the second thing is we need the VS Code. So for the VS Code also, just come to Google and just type VS Code install, and if you type this, so you get the official document for installing the VS Code. Just install with respect to your OS and we are ready. Now you might ask me, why Python, not any other language? So Python reads almost like English, so it's very easy to learn and it's used everywhere, like in websites, AI, data science, automation and robotics. So if all future things AI, it is used they are using Python programming language, all future things. And then top companies like Google, Netflix, Python, and Instagram uses Python, and it's free. You can use it as much as you want. And then where are Python used? If you ask me, it is, Instagram, you use it in your daily basis. So Instagram is built using Python. YouTube recommendation system uses Python. ChatGPT is built in Python. NASA uses Python for data science. So now let's start with our first file. So what to do? Just click Ctrl N and save this file as first program.py. So extension is py. So I've created this. So here I'll just write my first thing, print hello world. Save it and just run. How to run? Just type, make sure you've installed this before, so you can check it by python version. So if you do this, your version should be visible here. So I've done it. So next, Python first program.py, enter. So you are seeing you have executed the first program, that is hello world, and you are getting the output. Congratulations, you have wrote your first program. So this is the first program every program in the world would have written. So now you have to celebrate for this. And next we are going with variables and data types. So what is this variables and data types? So I'll just go here only. So I'll just type hash variables and data types. So let me proceed. Variables and data. Imagine you have a box and you write a name on the box and you put it inside. And in Python, that is what exactly is. What is variable is a named box that holds some value. Let's say name is equal to, I'll write my name Prathan. Age is equal to 24. Marks is equal to 98.5. Is passed is equal to true. So I give this. So I've given this. Now I'll do print. I'll print all this. Print done yet. So I'm calling the variable. These are the variables. What are we calling? These are the variables. So next I'll print age. Then next I'll print marks. then is past print. So while writing a program, every time you can't use pratham. Instead of that, you will use this variable. So you'll use name. So 100 times if you use just rectify as name, it's okay. It will redirect to this. If you use age, it will redirect to 24 like this. Now let's run this program. I'll save this. I'll do same Python first program. So you can see hello world Pratham 2498 and true. So now you see that we have created the program using the variable. The name holds the value Pratham, the variable age holds 20, like that. It is very simple. Now next we are going with the four main data types. So what is the data type? So int, we have something called as int. So I'll type here int, integer. What are that? These are just the whole numbers. Whole numbers like 1, comma 20, comma 200, like this. It's just a whole number. And then if you go with float, what are float? These are the decimal numbers like 3.14. Then we have 98.5, 22.7. So these are the decimal numbers. We call in the Python language, we call it as float. Then next is str, string. So what is a string? It's a text always written inside a code. Text always written inside a codes like hello and Python. So it should always be written inside a code, then it is called as string. Then we have a bool. Bool is nothing but a hash bool. It's a boolean value. Only has two values. Only has two values, that is either true or false. It will be either one, either it will be true or false, only two values. So now let's check the code type of the variable. Now we'll assign some more numbers. Let's check. Now I'll write the what we are doing now. Check the type of variable. So now variable, we'll assign a number to x. Then we'll assign one number to y, that is 12.2. Then for the z we are going with string. We'll give Python. Then for b we will give true. Now let's print this. How to get the type of that? Print type of x. Just copy this, print it, and just change it y, z, and b. Once you are done with that, again save your program, Ctrl S, and run your first program. So you can see the type is int. So what x is just 10. So it is giving me int. And y is 12.2. What we mentioned, it is a decimal. So it is giving me float. So z is Python. So it is giving me string. And p, bool, for bool we have used the string. So that is why it is again giving me string. So let me do c is equal to just true without the thing, and just I'll paste here and just print C and check again and run this. So you can see I'm getting bool for C. So if you write inside the quotes, you will definitely get bool or string as the answer, else you will get the required output. So we have done till here. Now we'll proceed with the next. So next is operators. Next fourth topic is operators. So what and all we have seen till now. So first thing we learned how to write the statement, that is hello world. The print is the most major thing that will be used in Python. And next we have seen the variables, and then we have seen the data types of that by checking this. So three times, so that is the third thing, and this is the fourth, that is operators. So for that we are going to learn the arithmetic operators. What is the thing we are going to learn? Arithmetic operators. Now first thing, I'll give two values, that is one is a is equal to 3, and one more is I'll choose d. D is equal to, I'll choose some random number as 20. So now next do that. Now we'll do just, it's like a maths print, a plus b. I'm just doing addition here. Now next I'll do print a minus b. It's so simple, there is nothing in that. Next print a star b for multiplication. Then print a slash b for division. Now we'll do floor division, which gives only whole number. Now print a slash slash b. What is this? I'll just write here slash hash floor division. This is called as floor division. What it does, it gives only whole number as answer. When you need only whole number, you can use this floor division. Then we have print percentage b. What is this? So this is modulus. It gives modu modulus. What it does, gives remainder, the remainder of this numbers. Then we have print a star star b. What it is, it is the power, square root. It checks the square root. So first number is the number and it goes to the power square. It's like power 3, not the square root, it's a power. So power, so it will work like 3 power 10, like this. So once you are done with that, just save and rerun Python. So okay, the issue was I've used a and d, but I've used a plus b here. Just replace with the d, 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 and d. So after this, just run our program. So what I was getting because of that b, so that's why I was getting, it was not supported. Now you can see I have got 3 plus 20 is 23, and a 3 minus 20 is minus 17, and for multiplication I'm getting 60, for division I'm getting 0.5, and for floor division you can see that 0.15 is removed and I'm getting only the number. And then here if you want, I'm getting the power of this. No, here it is a modulus and here it is a power. So if you want correct precise answer, just exchange this and this, so then we'll get this whole number properly. So I'll rerun so you can see live. So after changing that, you can see this is the division and this is the whole number. I'm getting it correctly. And for power also you can see it is 8000. So everything works fine. So this is the operators what we have used. Now the next is we have the comparison operators for comparing the values. Now what is next? Fifth is comparison operators for comparing values. X is equal to 10 and x is, I'll not choose x, I'll go for e is equal to 10 and f is equal to 20. Now I'll do print x is equal to y is equal to y means if it is equal to or not. So I'll just type is it is doing is x equal to y. It is just as simple as English. What will tell in English, you are just doing that in Python, that's all. Print x not equal to y. So what we are doing printing here, hash it is doing is x not equal to y. So it will return with only with boolean true or false, that's all. Next, print x is greater than y. What it will do is x greater than y, it is asking. Then print x less than y, is x less than y. Then print x is greater than or equal to y if it is greater than or equal to y in some of the cases. Is x greater than or equal to y? I'll show you some example for that also. Print x less than or equal to y. Hash is x less than or equal to y. So after doing this, I'll save the thing and I'll run Python first program. So I've given e as, okay, the again we have done one mistake. So if we, since we have given x and y, what it is doing, in the beginning we had given the x and y, here it is taking this. So we have to be careful with that. So I have to replace e f. So this is a simple mistake what I am doing here. E f, e f, e f, e f, e and f. Save and run. So now e is 10 and f is 20. E is 10 equal to 20, it's false, it's giving me false. Then is e not equal to f, it is true, yes, 10 is not equal to 20, it is true. Then is e greater than f means is 10 greater than 20, it is false, no, it is giving me false. Is 10 less than 20, yes, it is true, it is giving me true. Then print is 10 greater than or equal to f, no, it is not greater than or equal to 20, so it is giving me false. Is 10 less than or equal to 20, yes, it is true. So if you choose the same numbers, let's choose same numbers and just reprint the thing. Is 20 is equal to 20, I'm getting true. Is 20 not equal to 20, false. Is 20 greater than 20, false. Is 20 less than 20, false. Is 20 greater than or equal to 20, true. Equals is there, so true. Less than or equal to, true. So that's all. It's very simple. Now we have a input and output operator. Now we have an input and output operator. For that we will create one more program. So I'll go here, second program.py. So input and output. So now I'll use a variable name is equal to input. I'm using an input. So I'll give enter your name. I'm doing this, and in the print I'll give hello comma name. I'll save this, and I'll do cls python second program.py. So now once you enter this, since you use this input, you have to give the name in the output. So in the terminal I'm just typing my name, P Pratamyam. So it is printing hello Pratamyam. So I have given hello name, it is printing Hello Pratham. So the input function pauses the program and waits for that means the user to type something. Whatever they type gets stored in the variable and then you get that as input. So it waits here to enter the name, and once you enter the name it goes and stores in this name and again it prints from here. So this is what the input function does. So you want to check again, we'll give one more thing. Name 1 will take as name 1 is equal to input. Okay, let's not type name, we'll go with age. Enter the age of comma, I'll give name. Enter the age of comma name. Print the age of our name is comma age. Save. I have done like this. So I am asking age and you should enter your age and then it prints this. Okay. Now let me run this. Python. Enter your name. First you have to enter your name. Pratham M. Okay. Here we should not use this. Okay. Save. Sorry. Yes. Run. Pratham M. Hello. Enter the age of. So I'm entering the age as 24. So the age of Pratham is 24. Okay, got it? It's simple as this. And next is typecasting and converting type. So the thing is, so you'll give an input, so it should convert to string. So how to do that we'll see here. So let's do this. So now I'll just type here typecasting. So what we did above was input and output. Just type, I'll give the heading input and output. So this is typecasting. So here I'll choose school. Now we'll go with age 1 is equal to input. I'm going with input, enter the age. So we are going to convert one from integer to string. So how to do that we'll check. Convert string to integer. Age is equal to int age. So what it does, convert string to integer. Print next year your age will be age plus 1. Save. I'll just comment out these things for now. Oh sorry, not these two, not this. So and I'll run the program. Enter the age. Oh sorry, age 1, use age 1. Enter the age will be 24. So are we using age anywhere still? Oh, we have not saved it. Save it. CLS. So 24. So next year my age will be 25. What it is doing? it converts the string to integer and it's just add 24 plus 1. So this is the typecasting, and this was the basic thing every Python beginners must know. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe.